Right, that's it. I'm going to stay focused. Oh, look, a squirrel. Oh, um, are you spinning too many plates? Stop spinning so many plates. You see, for 20 years, I've worked with over 200 startups, micro business owners, and SME business owners. 200 plus. It's incredible. Um, Two things stop people being as effective as they could be, and I'm as guilty as anyone. Guilty as charged. Number one is that actually we're just afraid of finding out how good we really can be. We deliberately don't do things in case we fail or succeed for fear of what other people think of us. That is at the root cause of so many people's fears. Or, how did I get this far? I'm afraid I'll get found out. The second thing is that we tend to be not very effective because we're spinning too many plates, trying to do too many things, start new ideas, projects, and manage too many things instead of focusing on just one, two, or three things at a time and doing them to the very best of our ability. You see, most of us, if we're guilty, do get distracted by the squirrel in the tree outside. They're nice, they're new, they're shiny things, and the people who achieve the most are the most focused and diligent. You see, little things like getting into debt, for example. We tend to spin too many plates by having too many subscriptions, especially right now when on online and social media, there's everyone trying to sell you something for like $10, $20, $50 a month. And all these little things add up. And all of a sudden, people get into an awful lot of debt. When I reduced my overheads when COVID kicked in, I was staggered at how much money I saved. And do you know what? Do I miss any of the things? No. All these little things add up. Go and check your debt levels. You might be an awesome coach, but if you're a coach who blogs, vlogs, writes books, tips, booklets, does videos, training, speaking, networking, sometimes despite how awesome you are, we can end up average or mediocre at best because we're trying to do too many things. Find out where your marketplace hang out. Because I used to write blogs until I realised my marketplace don't read blogs. I do vlogs, video stuff because they do that. I write books because they do books. You see, I train and I speak. Everything else, it's gone, or I do it at a very low level. We have to do what works. Don't spin so many plates, otherwise we'll end up average at best, regardless of how awesome you might be. Reminds me of Peter Thompson. Peter Thompson was a phenomenal author and speaker and trainer and facilitator and consultant. And just looking around for my paper, here we go. And he did something that was really, really good at helping me take a few plates and put some of the canes down and focus on what really matters. And he called it the white room exercise. He says, Dave, frequently people start off with 20 plus things to do. And if you write them all down on a piece of paper and then get another piece of paper and let's just pretend you're in the room with all your 20 things, but you can only take half of them into the next room. So on the next piece of paper, you can only write 10 of the 20 things you've got. Then you wheel it down to 5 things on the next piece of paper. And this is important. You're not saying no to them. You're just saying not yet. So you're not saying you'll never get around to doing that stuff. You're just saying not now because I'm focusing. I'm going to be the best I can be right now. Eventually you end up with a piece of paper with 2 or 3 things on only. These are the best things for you to be looking at right now. And even 3, potentially, too many. What is the white room in which you're putting to the one thing you're going to dedicate the majority of your time, energy, motivation, and resource to, that 3 years from now you'll buy me a beer as a thank you for how successful you've been? Remember, once you've done this or it's working by itself, you can go back to this room and pick out one of those things and start again. We're not saying no to any of this stuff. We're saying not yet. I'm being focused. So stop spinning so many plates, because otherwise, if you keep spinning plates, it doesn't matter how awesome you are, you can end up average at best. So do the white room exercise, narrow it down in the funnel, and then take massive action. See you soon on another Dave's Desk. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Oh, and don't forget to visit our website at davidhyner.com to claim your free audiobook. Until the next time, go Rhino. Avin it.